In this video, we're going to explore a problem where we're looking at quantities of things and we want to form and solve an equation. Now it says Fatima has some grapes, Thomas has 3 fewer grapes than Fatima, and Raphael has 2 times as many grapes as Fatima. Altogether, they have 57 grapes. Find out how many grapes Fatima has. So we're interested in the number of grapes Fatima has, but we're not given any variables. Now, the whole point of algebra is that we introduce variables, letters, to represent unknown quantities, and then form an equation that we hope we can solve so we can find the value of that quantity. Now, we don't know how many grapes Fatima has, so let's just make that x. We're going to say that Fatima has x grapes. And now that allows us to form an equation in terms of x. So let's think about how many grapes each person has. We've got Fatima, we've got Thomas, and we got Raphael. Okay, now we said that Fatima has x grapes. We're told that Thomas has 3 fewer grapes than Fatima. So what's 3 fewer than x? Well, we can write that as x minus 3. That would be 3 fewer grapes than Fatima has, because we take the number of grapes Fatima has and subtract 3 from it. What about Raphael? It says Raphael has 2 times as many grapes as Fatima. Now, if Fatima has x grapes, what is 2 times as big as that? Well, it would be 2x. 2x means 2 times x. That's twice as big as x. Now, we're told the total number of grapes is 57. So if we add these 3 expressions, that will give us the total number of grapes, which we know is 57. So if we do x plus x minus 3 plus 2x, we know that total must be 57. And now we've got an equation we can solve. So let's just simplify this by collecting like terms first. How many x terms have we got? Well, we've got 1 lot of x plus another lot of x plus 2 lots of x. That's 4 lots of x. And we've still got that minus 3 there, and that's equal to 57. Now we want to get x on its own, so we undo the stuff around x to get x on its own. X is being multiplied by 4, and then we're subtracting 3. So we want to undo the last thing done to x. We want to undo the minus 3 by adding 3 to both sides of the equation. So the plus 3 gets rid of the minus 3, leaving 4x, and 57 plus 3 is 60. And then to get rid of the 4 in front of that x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. And that gives you x is equal to 15. Now, it wanted the number of grapes Fatima has, so it wanted the value of x, and we found that x was equal to 15. So Fatima has 15 grapes, and that is the final answer.